Oh my God. Did you see what Jane Smith posted on her Instagram?
Yeah, and I was thinking about booking my bachelorette party with her, but I'm not so sure anymore.
Ugh.
Yikes.
Hi, I'm JoJo.
And I'm Natalie.
And we're gonna go over the do's and don'ts of running your business on social media. It's important to remember that your brand is just like any other business.
Exactly. You need to present yourself in a professional and credible manner online.
If you think that people aren't looking at your social media pages before booking a party or shopping with you, then you're wrong.
And we know that this is your business and you can run it however you see fit. So we're just here to share some of our do's and don'ts and best practices on social media for your online business. Make sure that you don't share any crude or inappropriate memes, graphics, or videos on any social media platform.
Remember Jane Smith? Marielle was gonna book a party with her until she saw something not so classy posted to one of her social media pages.
Exactly. You never want to share anything inappropriate, especially those that have pure romance products in them.
Not only do we want to present ourselves as the classy and educational company that we are, but we also want to make sure we're following Facebook's rules and regulations. If we post things that might not be considered appropriate, they can take them down or even delete your account.
Another important don't is to make sure that you're coming off authentic. Don't just post about your pure romance business, as great as it is.
You want to mix it up by avoiding always asking for bookings and sales.
Posting too much about your pure romance business can come off as spammy, and social media is all about connecting with other people. We recommend the golden rule of social media, posting 5 personal posts to every 1 pure romance post.
You want to make sure that you're connecting with people on your social platforms, which leads us to our very first do.
Do start by defining your brand on social media.
Post about who you are and what you love. Whether you're a fitness fanatic
Or a plant lover. By defining your brand and showing your personality on social media, you can connect to people on a different level. We recommend focusing on 5 areas or interests in your life, with pure romance being one of them.
This allows your viewers to relate and connect with you outside of your pure romance business. The more that they rely on your interest means more engagement, which leads to more exposure and ultimately more business. Another important do is to use clear, bright, high-quality images when posting videos and images on your social pages.
Exactly. Social media is very visual, so make sure that these are all aesthetically pleasing images and videos.
And don't forget, you can always snag ready-made images from the Media Center or from Pure Romance's Instagram and Facebook pages.
And you can learn how to do your very own Instagram photo shoot by watching our how-to video next.
At the end of the day, social media is a super easy way to connect with people online.
It doesn't have to be complicated. This is all about you, so have fun with it.
For more do's and don'ts, make sure to check out the social media tab on the COO.
And don't forget to hashtag Pure Romance on all of your social media platforms. And follow Chris, Patty, and the Pure Romance brand pages to stay up to date on all Pure Romance news. Sayonara!
OMG, did you see this super cute picture that Jane Smith posted on her Instagram?
Oh my gosh, it is so cute. And you know what? I was looking for a consultant to do my bachelorette party. I think I'm gonna give her a call.
Totally should.
Yeah.